Silicon veins pulse through the structure of tomorrow, calculating every breath that the future seeks to borrow. Beyond the horizon where the manual dissolves, we drive the equations that the heavy machinery revolves. Metallic architecture standing tall against the grain, designing the logic that will dominate the day. Techworkz is a blueprint of the unfolding era, crystalline lens clearing every ancient error, the absolute apex of the calculated mind, leaving the remnants of the primitive far behind. Techworkz is the gear that will never cease to spin, where the mastery of the universe begins. The schematic is flawless, written in the cold highlight, a sequence of power shattering the hollow of the night. We measure the atoms and we weigh the distance apart, building the bridges that will carry us across the dark. The precision of the stroke, the sharpness of the steel, turning the abstract into something we can feel. No room for the hesitant or the hands that shake. There are foundations to bury and boundaries to break. Through the fiber and the copper, the current flows deep, awakening the giants that the history books keep. Techworkz is the blueprint of the unfolding era, crystalline lens clearing every ancient error, the absolute apex of